Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you where you can find the hex number of colors you're using in your photos and images in the Pixlr Photo Editor. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to that image here and let me add a simple shape. It will have these colors. So if you'd like to change these colors, guys, simply click into that button here, and after that you will see the color picker tool here. So you may find, for instance, your preferred color. Let me go with that standard red here, for instance, and you will see the hex color also here to the right. So you may, for example, click into it and copy it to apply for your previous colors, for instance. So if I draw that shape like that, it will have these colors. And now let's say, for instance, I change the color to blue and would like to return to that previous red color here. So as you can see, I just copied the hex number of it. So click into it, click into that hex number here and paste it. And there you go. The color will change to the associated hex color. Click into OK. And now you can again draw your shape with the color. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.